to see account number in Google Pay. Need to check your bank account number in Google Pay. Here's how to do it step by step. So first and foremost, launch the Google Pay app or access it on your browser and make sure you're logged in with your account linked to your bank. Now from here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right and then select bank accounts to see all accounts linked to Google Pay. Now choose the bank you want to view. If supported, your account number will appear here. Some banks may only show the last few digits for security. Make sure your SIM matches your registered bank number. Remember, some banks only display partial account numbers for safety. And that is how to see account number in Google Pay.